Hey guys, today I'm going to show you guys how to make organic oil using fresh ingredients and dry herbs, just like so. Then the same ingredients, I'm going to use it to make whipped butter. So guys, if you have anybody who is suffering from hair loss, please share this video with them. And don't forget to subscribe and like and follow and watch the video till the end. We start with the oil first. So as you can see, these are the fresh ingredients: fresh rosemary and fresh aloe vera plant. Then I'm going to add the oil, olive oil and sweet almond oil into the pan. Then I will heat the oil a bit. Then I will add the fresh aloe vera, fresh rosemary. Once I add those, I will go with the cinnamon stick. Then I will add in some star. So once I add some star, then I will add some clove, then black seed. Then I will also add feregrate seed. Then I will add the feregrate dry leaf. I'm going to add that as well because those are good for breakage, and then also it help with the edges a lot. These two ingredients, feregrate seed and the feregrate leaf, they're very good ingredients for edges. So once I add everything into the pan, then I will stir slowly, then turn the heat down at this stage because all we want it to do is to simmer so that all the nutrients will go into the oil, will attract the oil. Once we leave it for 20-30 minutes to steam, then you find a bowl like this and transfer the oil into the bowl and leave it to sit for 2 days. Then you strain it. Then this is the oil. It's available, guys. For those who are looking for measurement, check the comment below if you want to do small batches, because this is big batch. So if you want small batch, just check the comment below. I will put some there for you. So next we got the whipped butter. We're going to use the same ingredient again to make the whipped butter a part of the shea butter. So as you can see, this is African shea butter. It's so creamy, smelled nice. It still got the raw smell shea butter in it. As you can see, I got the ingredient there for the oil. I've already took out the oil, as you see the first video. So this is the remaining one I'm going to use for the whipped butter. So I'm going to add into the pan. We're using the double method to melt the whipped butter. Yes, so I will add in all the dry herbs and then with the fresh herbs. Then I'm using 4 kgs of shea butter there. It's big. So like I said, if you want to do small batches, I will just make small notes for you at the comment section. Go and check it there. It will be there. So if you want to do it at home, but if you want to buy from us, it's available. We post everywhere in the world. These products are good for edges. I am telling you, breakage. If you don't even like the smell, just use it to do oil treatment, pre-pull, and you wash it out. You go in with your own oil that you prefer, but that will help your hair. Trust me, it will help your hair. So I will add in all the whipped butter. Once I add in all the whipped butter, then I will add in the other ingredients, and then I will leave it to melt slowly. As you can see, all right, I will stir it to help the heat go everywhere because of the shea butter. They're too big. It's 4 kgs I'm using, trust me, because I'm doing big batch to sell. So as you can see, once it's all melts, then I will strain it. I strain it behind closed door because I don't have somebody to hold the camera for me. So once I strain it, I'll leave it in a bowl, put it in the fridge for 2 days or 1 day to solidify. Then I will add some good oils. You can look for good oils and add it and whip it like so. So that's your whipped butter ready if you want to make it at home, but if you want us to sell it to you, we can. As you can see, I've got lots of videos with different people coming. They're referring people to us because we've helped them. The only thing, they don't come back for follow-up, but once it works for them, that's it. They just come get the oil. They don't come for follow-up, guys. That's why I don't show you guys like before and after, but it does work. Don't forget to subscribe.